Hello guys, this is Iqbal. I'm a German tutor and for non-native speaker. So if you like to have a lesson with me, learngerman.with.gmail.com, mail me, and then we can go deeper in the German lesson. So let's start with our lesson. Our lesson today is a very short lesson. It's about hello and bye. Basically, basically sich begrüßen. Sich begrüßen means to introduce yourself. No, sorry, to say each other hello, or hey, or greet. And there are three or four different types. So the first one is Guten Morgen. So this you can use till 10 a.m. Guten Tag, Good morning, good morning, Guten Tag, good day, or hello. This you can use always, immer, and Guten Abend, so good evening. This you can use depend from the time, but mostly after 6 p.m. There's other. Now we're going to how to say goodbye, verabschieden, to say goodbye. These are also some different words which you can use. Auf Wiedersehen. So basically, Wiedersehen means see you again. So auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss, bye or goodbye. Bis bald means like till soon, but there is never ever some translation in English because they will be the same translation like bye or goodbye. And gute Nacht. Yeah, that's it from my side. So it's very short for today, and see you next time. If you like the video, please share, leave comments, and press the button. Thank you. Bye.